Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masigari Channel, a faith healer o Zamatar reader. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig nag-uumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid natin dyan na Libra. There's a justice day. May paghustisya. Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito na makukuha mo na ang nararapat na para sa'yo, no? In all aspects yan ha. Kumbaga, pagdating sa mga cases, kumbaga kung may mga inaantay kayo yung mga kaso or something na inaantay kayo yung mga papers, and of course, parang ginigipit or iniipit kayo sa situation, there's a justice, no? Justice will serve. At the same time, kung may gawa kayo ng black magic involved, kumbaga, this is the moment na parang nauunawaan nyo na nangyayari sa inyo, no? Either parang, kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo ng, realizations, no? Kumbaga, nauunawaan nyo na, kumbaga, nagkakaroon na ng solusyon at kaunawaan sa lahat ng bagay, no? Let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. There's a 9 of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Wow! Kumbaga, this is the moment na matutupad na unti-unti yung mga pangarap mo. No? Kumbaga yung mga hangarin mo sa buhay na maaring mailahad na at maaring maisakatuparan na. Additional messages. And of course, there's the Moon card. There's a revelations, no? Maraming marireveal ngayon. Marami kang matutuklasan at marami kang malalaman. At the same time, there's the Chariot card. There's an actions, no? Kumbaga, there's a taking action or something actions na kumbaga magdadala sa iyo ng kaliwanagan. Additional messages. There's an High Priestess. There's an unexpected moment. So, there's a mystery behind. There's something, a short reveal. At the same time, there's a Temperance, a perfect timing, no? Some of you guys, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, magbibigay sa'yo ng kaalaman at kaunawaan. At the same time, the Temperance is, parang haba ang pasensya mo dito, no? Kumbaga, mauunawaan mo na yung mga nangyayari behind your back. And of course, there's a Temperance for a perfect timing, no? Let's see what is the Justice card. Kabog ha? Kabog yung ano mo dito, oh. Puro major arcana. Isa lang ang hindi. The 9 of Cups. Let's see what is additional messages. And because there is an 8 of Wands. See? There is a fast communication and fast movement. So, talagang bibilis sa takbo ng eksena. No? Kumbaga makakatanggap ka ng email, messages, and of course, travel. Diba? Let's see what is the 9 of Cups. A 9 of Cups represent the King of Coins. So, there's a security, no? Kumbaga, maging secure ka dyan sa pangarap mo. Kumbaga, kung may pangarap ka, pagdating sa finances, maging secure ka. So, let's see what is the Moon card. There's a 7 of Swords. See? Kumbaga, may ilalahad yung mga sinungaling, manluloko, or kumbaga may marami kang there's a revelation, no? May revelation talaga na matutuklasan ka na tong tao na to niloloko ka, nagbabackstab sa'yo, pinagtatraidoran ka, or something na kumbaga mayroon talagang pagsisinungaling na involved dito. What is the Chariot? A Chariot represent the 4 of Coin. So, sinasabi dito guys, there's a 6 of Coin, sorry. There's a 6 of Coin. Magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances. The Chariot is that actions. Ibig sabihin dito, actions. Kumbaga, galaw, na paggalaw ng finances. Kumbaga, madadagdagan yung resource of income mo. Or suddenly, maaaring, maging maganda ang pasok sa'yo ng kapalaran ngayong linggong to. So, let's see what is the High Priestess. There's the Hangman in reverse. It means there's a new perspective or something delays, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng unexpected moment na kumbaga may mga biglaang pagbabago or may mga biglaang cancellations, kumbaga delays, ganon. Kumbaga, unawain mo, no? Let's see what is the Temperance. And because there is a Five of Swords, maging maingat ka. There's a perfect timing. Difference is, kumbaga na kailangan maging mahinahon ka, no? Kumbaga mahaba ang pasensya mo. With the Five of Swords, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng self-sabotage. Kaya kailangan maging mahinahon ka sa mga desisyon. So, let's see what is the Chariot, and the Justice, and the Eight of Wands. What is the Justice, and of course, the Eight of Wands? There is a Queen of Wands. Control, stability, confidence, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga makukuha mo na kumbaga magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na makukuha mo what you deserve. Makukuha mo yung nararapat na sa'yo. Kumbaga magkaroon ka confident na kaya kong makuha kung ano man ang gusto ko. Parang gano'n. So, let's see what is the Nine of Cups and the King of Coins. So, there is a Nine of Coins. So, there's a secure and practicality. So, pagdating dito, kumbaga maging practical ka and secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Kung gusto mo may sa katuparan ng mga bagay-bagay pagdating sa mga pangarap mo, ngayon pa lang umpisahan mo na maging practical. So, what is the Moon card and the Seven of Swords? So, there is a Page of Coins. So, see, there's a new ideas, no, new plans. So, big sabihin dito, na kailangan maging aware ka. Marireveal sa iyo to at magbabago ang plano mo sa buhay mo. Or magbabago yung plano mo sa mga bagay-bagay na involved dito yung pagkakaroon ng kasinungalingan, no? So, let's see what is the Chariot and the Six of Coins. Because there is a Strength card. See? Confidence. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na, kumbaga, alisin mo yung negativities, no? Kumbaga, kailangan confident ka para makapag-attract ka ng mga good energy. Chariot is an actions. A time is now. So, the Strength card is a confidence. Now, what is the High Priestess and the Hangman in reverse? And kasi sinasabi dito guys, there's Seven of Coin. Wow! There's an unexpected delays that because may darating na mas masabog na finances sa'yo. Ibig sabihin dito, harvest time is a time to heal and time for progress. Kumbaga, antayin mong mangyari at antayin mong dumating yung inaantay mo. No? Siguro nagkakaroon ng delays and of course cancellations that because mayroon pa palang mas darating na much better. Kumbaga, mas tataas pa yung value or something. Kumbaga, siguro pagdating sa finances, kumbaga, inaantay mo yung padala, inaantay mo yung bayad or something. Kumbaga, baka kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyan kasi mas siguro tataas pa yung value or something. Ganun. Let's see what is the Temperance and the Five of Swords. There's a Six of Swords. A transition. Kailangan baguhin mo yung pananaw, baguhin mo yung perspective, baguhin mo yung ginagawa mo. Kasi the way na kumbaga nagbibigay ka ng information sa ibang tao, ginagamit yan against sa'yo. So the Five of Swords is a self-sabotage. Maging aware ka lang, no? At transition, kailangan baguhin mo yung pananaw, baguhin mo yung sarili mo, baguhin mo yung mindset mo pagdating sa mga informations, no? Informations na ginagamit mo by finances, by your work. Kumbaga, kasi nagkakataon talagang ginagamit yan, no, against sa'yo. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is this outcome. There's an Eight of Swords. I told you so. The Eight of Swords is toxicities, no? Kumbaga marami kang toxic sa paligid mo, no? Kailangan maging aware ka kasi hindi lahat sa lahat ng panahon at pagkakataon, itong tao na to sa paligid mo ay tapat sa'yo, diba? There's a Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat ka. Marami sa paligid mo, karamihan dyan sinungaling. Kaya marireveal to. And of course, the Queen of Cups, there's an healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing. Kumbaga ngayon, unawaan mo, magkakaroon ka ng control kung anong hawak mo. And of course, the Ace of Coins, there's a big money, big opportunities, a big house, big money, big opportunities, big house, big cars, something, kumbaga may cars, money, sasakyan, lupain, gano'n. Hacienda na eh. So, there is a Seven of Wands. So, there's a protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan protektado ka sa ano man yung, anumang teritoryo mo, pag-aari mo, ganon. Kung ano man ang meron ka, protectionan mo. And of course, there's a Page of Cups in the intuitions, no? Makinig ka sa intuitions mo, yung gut feeling mo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Tingnan natin what is the Love Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Paano natin ito mailalahad? Paano natin ito maunawaan? So, let's see what is the love oracle card. There's a lightning, a sudden changes, no? A shocking news. So, parang bibiglain ka dito na hindi mo in-expect na tong tao na to, di ba? Yung taong kausap mo lagi, di ba? Bigla ka na surprise na out of nowhere, ito pala tao na to sinungaling, no? And of course, there's a golden mirror. See? Absorbent. Kumbaga, parasites, di ba? Kumbaga, nandito lang sa tabi mo kapag kailangan mo. Pag kailangan ka niya. Kumbaga, ganon. At the same time, there's a grim reaper. Di ba? Transformation. Grow and transformation in your life. No? Kailangan baguhin mo yung buhay mo, yung klase ng pananaw, klase ng attitudes, klase ng paniniwala, kung ano man yung klase ng bagay na kailangan mo i-transform sa sarili mo, na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng benefits, no? Let's, excuse me. Let's see what is the meaning of Archangel Michael messages. What is Archangel Michael? Your children are watch over by you. So, some of you ginagabayan daw ang iyong mga anak. And of course, sinasabi ni Archangel, Raphael, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka daw, no? Additional messages pa. New beginning and fresh start, no? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong pagbabago. Parang ganon, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an earth school, learning, life lessons. So, ito na yung parang tinutuklas ka sa halaman, sa parang, natutunan, di ba? And of course, there's, the seven star sisters. So there's parang sinasabi ng seven archangels, no? The seven star sister birthing creations tapes 3 of life expressions. Kumbaga nagbibigay ng kumbaga emosyon, no? Parang sinasabi sa dito na kailangan yung emotion mo minsan kailangan mong itago yan para hindi nakukuha at hindi nalalaman nila kung ano yung sa loobin mo, no? Minsan kasi ginagamit yan bilang kahinaan eh. So kailangan maging wise at least to. So let's see what is the Monsology. What is this Monsology? And of course, a win-win outcome forecast. So, ipapanalo mo tong laban na to. Let's see what is additional Monsology. And of course, expect the powerful change. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng expectation pag sa biglaang pagbabago na alam mo magbabago, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a humor. So, tignan mo yung lighter sides of both sides of situations. No, pagdating sa buhay mo, mag-focus ka kung ano man yung makakabuti sa'yo. Because there is a blame. Wala kayo ibang sisisihin kundi sarili mo sa lahat ng bagay, no? Kailangan maging aware ka, conscious ka sa mga decisions mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages is, waning is a self-inventory, no? Kailangan mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Emotional, practical, material. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a clarity, cleansing. Kailangan mo rin mag-cleansing, no? There's a toxicity or detoxification na kailangan mo linis or purification or something. Kumbaga, kailangan mo rin mag-cleansing, no? And of course, there's a clarity. Mauunawaan mo at malalaman mo talaga ang kahalagahan ng bagay-bagay. At malalaman mo ang nangyayari behind your back. So, let's see what is this energy. What is this energy? Energy is the hostilities. Protect your power, protect your energy. Protection naman yung sarili mo laban sa mga kalaban, sa mga taong mapang-abuso. And of course, there's a deceit, no? Kumbaga may mangkukulam dito, no? Para sinasabi sa dito na there's a mystery behind na kumbaga kung may mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo, kumbaga cancellations or delays. So, some of you guys, meron pala yung ginawa sa yung black magic involved. Kumbaga, ginawang ka ng kulam or something na sumpa, na para bumagal ang finances mo. Kaya wag ka magtataka bakit biglang ang ganda naman ng pasok tapos biglang bagal, diba? And of course, there's fifth chakra Archangel Gabriel by intuitions, no? Makinig ka lagi sa intuitions mo. Let's see what is this chakra. Binibigyan ka ng intuition ng Archangel Gabriel, ha? Para pinapatalas yung gut feeling and instinct mo. And of course, there's an expansion. Palawakin ang kaalaman, palawakin ng katalinuhan, no? And of course, there's a growth, no? May ugat ng eksena or magkakaroon ka talaga ng parang kalawakan, parang lalawak ang ano mo, ang kaalaman mo sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, there is an perseverance, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pagtiyagaan. Perseverance is parang pagtitiyaga, no? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael is a meditation. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate, no? Kasi parang makakatulong to about sa spirituality mo. Mauunawaan, matalaman mo na there's something wrong. About sa spiritual, kasi parang kung some of you nagpapa-check up, di ba? No findings. At nalaman nila na, at saka na alam nila sa sarili nila, na yung nararamdaman nila, it's not ordinary. No? Let's see what is additional messages. And because there's a time to decide. So some of you, you need to decisions, no? Based on your heart desires. And of course, sabi dito, trouble. So, there's an information na there's a trouble talaga. Or some of you, baka mangingibang bansa ka or galing ka sa ibang bansa, uuwi ka dito. And because there is a justice. Though double clarification, the justice will serve, no? Kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng signs or synchronicities na kailangan mo ng hustisya. Or yung hustisya ay makukuha mo na. Malapit na. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Jesus' loving quote said, take there no thought for the morrow shall take thought for the things itself. Ibig sabihin dito, hayaan mo mangyaring kinabukasan, no? Kumbaga, hayaan mo, mangyari nawa ang mga bagay na dapat mangyari. Kumbaga, wag mong pangunahan, no? Kumbaga, ipagdasal mo at antayin mong mangyari at kailangan mo mag-meditate para maunawaan yung mga bagay na nangyari sa paligid mo. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, there's a tomorrow. So, parang sinasabi na tomorrow is kinabukasan, no? May kinabukasan nakalahad talaga sa'yo o nakatakdang mangyari, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Angel's number. Angel's number represent wow, 888. Oh my God, finances, abundance, kayamanan. Salapi. So, sinasabi dito, as you focus on all the wonderful things that surrounds you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place of abundance. Talaga may lugar talaga sa kayamanan at may lugar talaga sa kaligayahan at tagumpay pagdating sa iyo, no? May finances talaga sinasabi sa dito. Magkakaroon ka ng 7-8 digits number for your bank account. Pasabog. So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is an appreciation. So, ito yung kailangan mo pa, no? Appreciation. And of course, sinasabi dito, I am grateful for the abundance in my life as I direct my thoughts towards all the wonderful in my world. My troubles, worries lighten. With a full heart, I appreciate all that I have today. I accept what it is, and choose to be satisfied. I express my loving thanks to the universe for the wealth and that is mine. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito na-appreciate mo talaga na yung, kumbaga yung bagay na nangyayari sa'yo at the end of the time, meron talagang kaakibat na tagumpay at nagkasaganahan, di ba? Ilahad ang kamay, muling ibigay ang tagumpay. Ganahan, kumbaga malalasap mo na ang magbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan at kasaganahan. So, kumapit ka, the justice will be served. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na guys, yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig nag-uumapa manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.